Hi everyone, it's Walter here, and thank you for tuning in. So today we are going to kickstart on our journey into programming for bioinformatics and computational biology, and we are going to start with the Linux module, which is also known as Bio-Unix. And please, if it is your first time to hear about Linux programming or bioinformatics, or you have used this tool before, you understand how to program in Linux, please encourage you still to stick around. You're going to learn everything. Even if you already know something, you're still going to get something very helpful or something new to learn about. So please stick around. Um, so let's start straightforward. We are going to start with very basic commands uh, known as PWD. So the PWD simply means print working directory, and it is used to display your current location on the Linux terminal. So I want to start with an example on the Windows. So when you log into your Windows computer, you are able to see the desktop. So here you already know that I'm currently located on the desktop. And also, if maybe you open folders, and here on the folder, you're still able to know that I'm located on maybe here tutorial point. So you can see the location is just up here, and I can actually click here, and it gives me the full path up to where I am located. And this is not the case with Linux. So let us open a Linux terminal also, search for Ubuntu. So when I open Ubuntu, yes, it opens directly to something like this. So you can see what is displayed is just simply a blank page. So now you don't know which folder you're in or where exactly you're located. So that's when you utilize the pwd command. So pwd is simply typed like this, and as we said earlier on, it stands for print working directory. So print working directory. So directory in Linux simply means a folder in Windows. So when you hear me saying directory or subdirectory, just know it's the same as folder or subfolder. So yes, so that is the work of the pwd, print working directory. And the usage, how to use it, you just type pwd and enter, and it will give you where exactly you are located. So it shows you that currently you're actually working in a folder or directory called Walter. So to know more about pwd command or any other command in Linux that you will encounter, all you need to type is a command called man. So man is a short form for manual. So when you type man and then you space and then you type the command you want to know about, that is meaning that return for me the manual page for pwd command. So when I enter this, I should be able to see the manual page for pwd, and you can read this. So in Linux, we simply don't need to go into read a lot of textbooks or what. So it's just simply typing the man. So you can see the help page or the manual page for pwd. So it describes for you what pwd does. It is here: print name of current or working directory. Then how to use it, you just type pwd and enter, or you give options. So command options are actually what we use to return specific things based on our needs. So if you don't avail the command options, it will print default output. So in this case, we have the options here with their description. So the L means logical, then the P is physical. So we have what's called logical path and physical path. So you'll understand this more as we go along the tutorial. So stick around and follow. So now another way of checking the command usage, and in a summary form, because some commands can really have a very big manual page. So you can just get the summary of the command usage by just typing the command itself that you want to check, that is pwd, and space, then you say double hyphen help. So this will give you the summary of the help page. So this gives you more summarized information, as you can see here. So pwd, which is a command, then space, then use the option. If you don't, now these brackets mean these are options. They are optional to use them. So use them only when you want to specify something. So the basic command is pwd, and that's all. So when you want to use the options L, you type pwd dash capital L and use that. Then when you want to display, now this is the logical path. So when you want to display the physical path, you type this and enter. You see that. So now in this case, you will not understand the difference between these two. I don't want to bring in this, but you will get them as we get some other, how to understand how the directories are structured. So in the few of our next videos, you will get to understand the difference between these two. So stick around, please. Yes, so now you understand what the pwd command does and how to check the command help page or the command usage. And that is all for this session. We shall meet in the next session, which will come soon. That is just tomorrow. So we shall be posting these videos every day. So stick around and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss anything. And then click that sign of the bell so that every time the new video has been uploaded, you are able to see immediately and be the first to watch. So share this video as well to your colleagues who are itching to learn about bioinformatics and they are stuck in programming. So thank you very much. See you all in the next video. Bye.